Alright guys, so I'm camping. I wanted to bring you a super geeky kind of fun tip and trick to make backups of your bookmarks on your Mac. Let me show you how this is done. It's kind of slick. You'll be able to add these little commands into a script later on if you want to just run it. And you can bring these bookmarks back and put them into the place they're supposed to be and always have your bookmarks backed up. Check it out. Alright guys, so I figured out that this is only going to work partially because the Safari bookmarks are actually protected by SIP, or System Integrity Protection. So basically I'm going to show you how to do it for the Chrome bookmarks, and then I'll just show you the regular way for backing up your Safari bookmarks now that they're protected by SIP. So let's open up a terminal session. You can hit, actually I'm going to quit out of there. You can hit Command Spacebar, start typing in terminal, hit open. I'm going to enlarge it by hitting Command plus so that you can read this. And we're going to do the same type of search for the bookmarks file, and we'll end up finding the Chrome one. So let's type in find -x slash, actually -x, then we're just going to type in li and hit tab for library, because we're looking in the library folder of Mac Lady, so that's the one that we want to copy. So then we're basically going to type in dash type and then F, and that's going to label it as it's looking for a file, not a actual folder. So then you're going to type in dash iname, and that's going to look for case insensitive name. So now I can just type in bookmarks and put a star on the end so that I find anything with bookmarks and potentially something after bookmarks. If I hit enter, I'm going to see all these operation not permitted. I don't want to see that information. I just want to see the one that I'm looking for. So I'm going to arrow up, and on the end of this I'm going to hit 2 greater than symbol slash dev slash null, and this takes that error output and sends it to nowhere, dev null. So we're just going to hit enter again, and as we see, we've got the Google Chrome bookmarks that we can make a backup of. We're unable to do the Safari bookmarks. It's not even finding them, which is crazy. So if I open this Safari window and I hold on Control, I can see that this is actually in that location, so it should have found it. Hold on. No. Yeah, you can trace that, Nuggy. And so it's not finding it because of SIP. So if you actually want to copy the file manually, you can. So I can drag this holding down the Option key to my desktop, and that will make a copy of that bookmarks plist file. And you can also do it within the Safari browser itself. But let's continue on with this command. So now that we found the Google Chrome bookmarks, and we want to copy those. So we're going to do dash exec. Sure, go ahead. And then we're going to do a copy, and then we're going to take all the output, 2 curly braces, from the find command. We're going to copy those to the desktop, and then to the desktop, and then I need a backslash and a semicolon to close this out. So I'm doing a find. I'm looking in my library folder. I'm looking for a file type, right? It's just a file. It's not a directory that I'm looking for. I'm looking case insensitive for bookmarks. Anything after that with the star. And I'm taking that output because I don't want to see all that extra output, sending that to dev null, and I'm executing the copy command on the results, and I'm copying it to my desktop. If I hit enter or return and I go back to my desktop, we're going to see that I now have both the Safari and the Chrome bookmark files. Obviously, both browsers allow you to, within the Safari browser, you can go up to File, Export Bookmarks. It's going to basically put Safari bookmarks, HTML file on your desktop. And I can do the same thing with Chrome. I can hit these little dots over here.
I can
Click on bookmarks.
Yeah.
And actually, it's not that one. It's going to be this one. The dots right here. Export bookmarks. It's going to put it on the desktop. Boom. Hide. Hide. And now I've exported all the bookmarks from both Safari and Chrome, and I've got them backed up on my desktop. I can bring them over to another computer, put them in the same locations, and it'll work fantastic. Hopefully that find command helps you learn how to find stuff. Hold on, Nuggy. Hold on, I gotta finish this. So hopefully that find command helps you out a little bit and allows you to get that, that ability to find files and things that you're looking for and to execute stuff on that. Awesome. Hopefully you like this video, guys. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed, and you all have an awesome day. Take care.